Hello everyone, my name is Dayana Delgado. In this video, I am going to do the task 5 pronunciation practice. 1. Reading. Read the following text, try to make your best effort pronouncing the symbols. Don't forget to have in mind rhythm, intonation, and stress. Okay. Teacher protest. The protest last one with they side the tour. One small art class and better money they say that there must be more stuff in school. Schools say that there is not money, however, teachers do not believe that. They say that schools spend the money on different things. Okay, 2. Minimal pairs. A minimal pairs is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. The sounds may confuse English learners. The pronounce then having in mind this variation of sounds. Okay. Cat, bab. Wire, wise. Right, row. Kite, night. Takes, take. Cow, cat, cut, cut. Cut. Beam, beam. Teal, peel. Teach, teach. Day, pay. Dig, pig. Deal, peel. That, bab. They, bake. Tall, call. Tool, cool. Take, cake. To, could. Town, gown. To, tie, guide. Tap, gap. Toe, go. Tag, gap. Table, gable. Chin, wing. Tie, fight. Tongue, phone. Take, big. Okay. 3. Intonation and stress. Read the following sentence having in mind the suprasegmental features. Statements with 3 stress. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The water is going to change. Statements with 4 stress. She wants to buy a new car. They wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students story. Statements with 5 stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book he brought yesterday. A special question, following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly, interested, politeness, raising intonation. What's your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, raising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question, reason, and following intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she repose in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag question, following or reason intonation. You don't know them, do you? They have found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I should do it, should I? Commands, following intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking, asking for help. Request raising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence following intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so happy. You're at raising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating raising intonation. I bow, bread, chest, and to my ears. We need pepper, pens, and pencils. Reps. I can, she is. He will, you shall. I can. He did. Thank you so much.